Hello everyone, this is Brian at North Star Capital. I'd like to take a couple of minutes just to go over the two indexes that we use to help track the overall broader market. One being DIA, again I've put it here on the chart, DIA for the Dow Jones Industrial Average ETF, and SPY, that's for the Standard & Poor's, and I'll bring that chart up second. Again, these are the daily price bars. So this is a daily chart based to see exactly where we think the market is headed. These little boxes here again are weekly and daily supply and demand zones. This is where if price is going to make changes in direction or bounce off of, as you can see here, it makes the zone in this area right in here, and again it's retested and it bounces off. It put in a supply zone up here, and of course it's bounced off. We think that when you look at the supply and demand zones, you look for confluence, the areas where the daily price action that creates these zones and the weekly price action that creates these zones, they overlap. And as you can tell here, we have a weekly and a daily zone, okay, which really gives a high probability that this is where price is probably headed. So we'll go on and throw some lines on this chart and make it look pretty, give it a visual. Of course, we would think that price is probably over the next couple of weeks to months headed to this area right in here. Okay, so now really quick, let's take a look at SPY, the Standard & Poor's 500 index. And we'll wait for this chart to load, and here we go. SPY, I put it on the chart so that everybody knows what we're looking at. SPY for the Standard & Poor's 500 ETF that we use to track the Standard & Poor's 500 index. And again, we're looking for those areas where the weekly and the daily zones, there's confluence, that they overlap. And so again, we would think that based on those zones that the software plots on our charts for us for an easy visual is somewhere in this area right here. So you're looking at an ETF that's sitting right now at $162.73, descending in value down to about the 153-ish level. That's a good little pullback. I hope it holds. There's a lot of changes here in the marketplace, a lot of headwind that the market's starting to take on. Again, we invest accordingly to hopefully capture and benefit from a market falling as well as ascending in value. If you have any questions, please use the Contact Us page to reach out to us. And again, I hope you have a great weekend. Know that we have a tropical storm bearing down on us here on the East Coast, so everyone stay safe. Thank you very much, and have a great weekend.